Hey, welcome back to Lame Shop Builds. Let me move some stuff around here. How's everyone doing today? This is going to be a quick little update on the Glory Days drag racing group build, hosted by Tiffany at Dirt Road Cinderella and Joe at Big Sky Model Workshop. So, been getting a little bit done on the Nomad, not a lot, but a little bit. So we'll go over some of the stuff I've been, as time permits, a little here, a little there, getting done. Not a lot's gotten done, but it's a step in the right direction. So let's turn around and get to it. Alrighty here. So I've been working, trying to get the tires and wheels. Well, let's go over this chassis together. I think I may have covered this before. You know, yeah, I believe I did. I've had to cut the nubs, the hubs, whatever you want to call them here. I've cut them down pretty far, as you can see. As I was fitting the wheels up under the bodies, they're sticking out too far. The fronts. Let me pull one down. You know. Here's what we got. These are assembled. This is painted Tamiya rubber black, so it's coming together. It's assembled, not glued up or anything. So I'm going to probably repaint these wheels because I've touched them a lot and dulled the finish. Almost rubbed it off on the center cap, which I'm gonna do it. I want them to look good, not worn. But these wheel backs, I'm gonna pull this one off here. Like this one, like I'll show you on the other one because that one snapped. I gotta take them apart anyhow. I don't want to tear it up. You know, this is the stock Chevelle wheel back. As you can see, it'll focus good. Right here, I've sanded a lot on these to get them thin enough. You can almost see through it. So I'm trying to not, yeah, you'll see. Let's put this back on here. That snaps nice and right in. We're sitting pretty close. Let me get up and see if we can see how close that is. Yeah, now glue in. This wheel won't roll, but it'll be glued up. And the other side's about the same way. I've had the same. They're about similar. It's pretty thin. That's going to go. These are old two-piece tires. I had to find a piece of the center trim. There's a little lip in the center here of them, the rubber. I cut out. You can kind of see the roughness in this edge here. This one I did glue this one, super glued it together and painted it to Tamiya. I've not done the other tire yet. I was testing on one before I done both. You know, we'll be good to go soon with the wheels and tires. The rear tires I've not had to do as much too, but I did sand the back sides down to get them sitting closer in. You know, they're sitting tighter now up to the rear end because they was out here a little more. You know, where the stop was here, and I may end up having to take them out on the inside a little more. There's a little more room they can go, so we may bring that hole inside a little bit more. What else on this? It's been so long. Used the Fusion Firm Chrome. We got the pulleys and stuff painted up with that. I hit the top of the carburetor, the valve covers, and I'm gonna leave the where it's faded. It gives it that old faded look, worn out on the engine. So we got that going. We may end up doing the oil pan. I'm not sure yet. It's coming along. A little at a time. I think that's about all I've worked on. I'm taking my time on this thing. Did I show this? I've got this kind of going here for from the stock kit. We'll mount it up under the body here to hold. That's going to help hold this in place with the wing. Got it glued up a little more. Still got to get that painted up. Get the body painted. I don't know if I showed the hood since I painted primed the scoop there. But yeah, we'll be getting it done soon. Now I need to work on my shop truck, my NASCAR, Groupbuild, and then looking forward to USAC. You know, see what old. I think we're gonna get surprised on the choice on this one. I'm hoping for the 70 Chevelle. I think he's gonna stick with the Chevelle, and I think he's gonna go 70. We'll see. I know it ain't gonna be 67. I think he's out of that. But I have a feeling. Let's hope, because we have not really had a Chevy yet. I could see that being it. I think Robinhood, the app, we need to get a betting line going on that, a futures market or something. If anyone knows how to set that up, I think it'd be kind of fun. Take bets. We don't need to do that. With that, this is a little update on a little bit of time I've been able to work, what I've been getting done. Happy modeling. We'll see you next time.